Okay, so you said it's a sensor.
Yeah, that's what the machine's saying on both times, both machines.
All
I
right.
went to two different ones. It's a sensor.
So the vehicle doesn't move. Okay, you put it in drive, the vehicle won't move forward at all.
Right, but it'll bag up quickly.
Okay, 2005 Ford F-150. So that's you put a sensor in because the machine told you a sensor, and that didn't solve your problem.
Uh-huh.
So you want to put a
I saw the video. I knew it'll solve the problem.
you know it will solve the problem.
It's this other sensor up here in the front of that one.
Okay, so if you put another sensor in there, then it will solve the problem. That's what you feel.
Yeah.
Okay, do you know what sensor that is?
As I remember, it said crank sensor.
Does your vehicle crank up?
Oh yeah, it crank up with no problem and run like a champ, but it just won't go and get
Okay.
forward.
So you feel you need a crank sensor put in?
Uh huh.
Okay.
From what I see.
From what you see. So do you want to buy the crank sensor and you want someone to put the crank sensor in for you so your vehicle can move forward when you put it in drive?
But then it's other sensors too. Now. But I know the one I put in, and that sensor, I saw it on my phone. It's telling me that those are the ones that keep it from going forward. You see, I studied it. Yeah.
Okay. I tell you what you have to do. If you want a crank sensor put in, then you have to find. This is a transmission shop. You would have to find a mechanic shop that will put the crank sensor in for you, so your vehicle can move forward.
Okay.
And then if that doesn't work, then you just call us back.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, then I'll be in touch with you though.
All right. Bye.
All right.